I'd like to take you through how to create an invoice ready for it to be sent in Fiskl. You can also do this using your mobile iOS and Android app. From the main Fiskl menu, click on Sales and press the plus button next to Invoices. Click here to add or select a client. If you'd like to change the language for this invoice, click here and choose from 60 languages. You can also create a custom or default language by going to Invoice and Quote Settings from the main Settings menu. Your new invoice will be assigned an invoice number and name, which are auto-generated. You can easily change this by editing the number and name fields or saving a default name in Templates and Brands within the main Settings menu. Your invoice number will go up sequentially for each new invoice. To add an extra field, for example, your customer reference number, click here. To change the brands for this invoice, click Edit and switch brands. You can edit or create a new brand by going to Templates and Brands. You can add new products or items to your invoice or add existing. So let's start with creating a new expense. Create a vendor or add an existing one. Enter the price. Your new expense will be assigned automatically to the default income account you've stored in your account settings. This is then categorized in the relevant account within your chart of accounts. If you wish to modify it for an item such as an expense, you can easily do so by clicking the downward arrow and choosing a different account. If you've saved a default sales tax in Manage Taxes from the main Settings menu, this will automatically appear. However, you can select or create a new one by clicking on it. Click here to edit. Here you can change your currency, add a category. If your expense was paid in cash, click here and select your cash account. This will automatically be logged in your accounting. To add tax which is already included in the expense amount, tap on Add Included Taxes. To add automated taxes, Automated will automatically be selected. For your very first expense, select a tax or tax group. The amounts will then be displayed next to the taxes. Fiskl will automatically calculate the subtotal. The taxes you selected will be used for all expenses going forward. This can easily be changed. If taxes are applied only to certain items or the expense has multiple tax types, you can apply these by clicking on Manual, selecting your tax and entering the number in manually. Click on Apply and Save to return back to your invoice form. To add a new product, enter a product name or select an existing one. Your unit can be a carton or a box, for example. Enter the quantity and the price. If you need to have the sales tax included or excluded in the price, then simply toggle between the tax minus and plus toggle. This works on items in the invoice including multiple currency invoices, multiple and compound tax items. Add an item description if required. If you'd like to change the currency or add an attachment, click on the three dots and click Edit. If you'd like to add a new service, simply follow the same process as you did for adding a product. To add a new time to your invoice, select Time. If you have saved a default time name template in Company Settings from the main Settings menu, this will automatically be used but can be changed. Your default rate and currency are saved in User Preferences from the User menu. However, this can be easily changed if required. To manually enter your time, add in the hours. If you'd like to add a start and end time, click on the three dots, click Edit. Switch to toggle and enter in your start and end times. Click Save. To add mileage, there are various ways of logging your mileage. You can use Google Maps, your odometer readings, or add it manually. So to add it manually, create your mileage, add the amount of mileage, if you've saved your default mileage and rate and user preferences, then this will be used but can be changed. To use Google Maps or your odometer readings, click here. Switch the toggle on for Use Google Maps and enter your start and end address. And Fiskl will automatically calculate the total. If you'd like to use your odometer readings, turn the toggle off and enter your readings. If you'd like to make your trip a return journey, click here and click Save. You can also add existing items for all items, including those already assigned to your client, or choose from your product and services catalogue. Any items that use a different currency, you can automatically see the exchange rate that has been used. If you have an exchange rate you would prefer to apply, click on the rate and enter your own. To duplicate or delete any items, click on the three dots and make your selection. You can add payment instalments by adding a payment schedule. Choose between a percentage or flat amount, and the amounts will be split automatically across 2 dates. You can add further instalments or change the dates and amounts as you wish. Your clients will automatically receive an email when their next payment is due. To add a discount, add the amount, and if it's a percentage, just simply add a percentage. You can request a deposit, add the amount. You can add your invoice notes here, or you can save default invoice notes in invoice and quote settings. Click Save to save your invoice. You are now ready to send it. For details on how to add payment methods, set overdue reminders, customize your emails and send your invoices, check out the How to Send an Invoice video in this guide. For more information about Fiskl, please visit fiskl.com.